What's happening? I got a super exciting video I want to show you. I started a brand new campaign just a couple days ago, and I want to show you guys the results, and I want to give you guys access to the exact system that allowed me to get these results. So this is really cool. Before I log in, I just want to let you guys know, if you're looking to have a business in a box set up, niche selected, product selected, traffic pretty much done for you if you're getting started, or even if you want to supplement your income, this is a great option for you. So you can see, I'm just going to go ahead and I'm going to refresh the page. You can see that this is live. I'm going to click on the login button. And if I scroll down here, you can see Tuesday, September 15th is when I started this brand new test campaign, and $372.52 came in. Wednesday, $25.17. Thursday, which is still very early, we should see some sales come in, and we should, see this thing begin to ramp up. So I'm going to continue to document this journey on this campaign. If you want to be a part of the same system that I used and implemented to get these results, then I just want to invite you to click the link below to go ahead and learn more, and you can begin this case study with me. So with that said, this is Joshua Elder signing off. I will see you tomorrow. Super exciting stuff to come. And again, if you want access to the same exact system where you're seeing $372 here, $25 yesterday, we should see that ramp back up, because the beginning of a campaign does take a little bit of time, but you guys are really going to see this unfold. So if you want access, click the link below. Look forward to seeing you in the next video. Take care.